Welcome back to Begin Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing a little video driving with night vision. It's going to be super sick. We're going to go over the different things like what it looks like, the fun aspect of it, kind of a little bit of the safety. Can't do too much because, I don't want to try to film with one eye because the camera is going to be behind it and all that stuff. But other than that, we're just going to have a little cool video to share around the community and just kind of get more people into it. Sorry about the blemish in there. It was a freak accident. We're going to do a video on that. But other than that, let's just get into it and make this little cool video. Guys, so we're jumping around, popping a quick Yui. But anyways, driving with night vision is super fun. It's one of the funnest things I found to do. The only thing is internally on the car, sometimes you have to block out some of the lights because they will kind of make the system try to auto gate and it will dim the road. But once you actually block these out, you're good to go. Right now I have the very dim amber lights on, so it kind of will light the road. If you turn them off, you will see that the road gets very dark because right now there's no starlight out or anything like that. It's a little bit overcast and there's no moon. Pop those ambers on, you can see the road and everything like that. We're not gonna try to attempt to get this one on camera, but when you have a car that's approaching, you can just pop on your normal lights or anything like that and you'll be perfectly fine. The system will auto gate, it'll get dim, and you won't have to worry about them running into you. That's the safety part of it. So up here I'm gonna pop another Yui. I'm gonna look both ways. I can see people for miles like I said, and I don't see anybody, so I'm gonna run a U-turn so we can go back on this road. Ooh, I kind of like the Sequoia, by the way. Anyways, it's a unique experience driving under night vision. I really wish that more people could experience it, which is why I'm trying to film this and show everybody so they can really figure if they want to do this or something they want to try and everything like that. I wish we had some more windy roads to drive through. It's really fun to drive through the Angeles Forest because there's just a lot of things to do there. If you want to hop on one of the little dirt trails, drive down there, or anything like that, it's just a fun thing to do. Right now, I'm going to actually go and do a 3-point turn, show you guys how that is. Actually, there's a car coming up, so I'm going to pull to the side. Hopefully it doesn't turn. Okay, we're good. There's no one behind us, so you can look in the rearview mirror with these. And we're there. Pop it down. We are in reverse. There we go. But yeah, a lot of people talk about driving with night vision, that it's very hard and very difficult, but when you're running a dual tube system, you have all of the different, you have the depth perception that you normally would, so it's really easy. You just have to search around, make sure you know everything's around you, because you don't have the peripheral vision, but the depth perception is there. So it's super easy to drive, super fun. I highly recommend anybody do it if you have night vision, but just take the proper safety precautions and everything like that. Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. I'm sorry about that blemish that's in the screen. It was a weird freak accident. We're gonna do kind of a video show how that happened. It was totally like real freak accident, but we're just gonna have to deal with that kind of blemish for now on with the content that we do. It's not too bad. Luckily, we can still see around it and we can still make content. But other than that, hope you guys like this driving with night vision video. There's gonna be a ton of different things coming out with night vision. Hopefully we can really explore all the different areas. Put down in the comments something you want to see with night vision. Whatever it is, if you want to see crazy stuff, things look like, all of that. Just, yeah, put that in the comments. Thank you guys for watching the channel, and I hope to see you on the next one. I was trying to speed up because that car was coming.
Yeah.
I was like, it's going to get louder and louder.